When your environment demands the screen to go dark, immediately. Bright displays can interfere with visibility, focus, and operations. You need to reduce brightness instantly without losing visibility. QX series makes it possible. Go dark instantly and still see what matters. Once configured, the optional keypad and control knob make low light operation even easier. First, define your ideal low light condition. Set backlight to 0. Then adjust darkness to match your environment. Once saved, your setting becomes your instant reference. Whenever backlight returns to 0, your predefined darkness is instantly applied. For instant backlight 0, use the QX series optional keypad, or with a simple turn of the knob. While typical displays remain too bright, even when dimmed, QX series reaches ultra-low brightness while maintaining clear, usable visuals, down to approximately 2 nits, far beyond conventional displays. QX series. Clarity, control, confidence for mission-critical monitoring.